All right. Manoj, how are you?
Yeah, sir, I'm fine.
Fine.
How are you,
So,
sir?
I am fine, thank you. So, introduce yourself to our viewers. You can use Tamil.
நான் வந்து basically I am from from Sriperumdur and நான் வந்து படிச்சது வந்து விவேகானந்தா வித்யாலயா மெட்ரிக் ஹையர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல். நான் வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது வந்து 6th ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன் ஸ்கூல்ல and continue till 12th. So in 10th I got nearly 472 for 500 and in 12th I got in 12th I got some low because நாங்க வந்து 11th தனியா எழுதணும் 12th தனியா எழுதணும். ஸோ அங்க வந்து எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் லேக் ஆச்சு 12th அப்போ. பிகாஸ் நான் 10th நல்ல மார்க்ஸ் எடுத்தோடனே எங்க அம்மா என்ன நினைச்சாங்கன்னா 12th நான் நல்லா மார்க்ஸ் எடுப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. பட் நான் வந்து கம்மியான மார்க் எடுத்தோடனே தே காட் டிசப்பாயிண்டட். ஸோ தென் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் மை காலேஜ் ஜர்னி சார்.
All right.
அண்ட் இட்ஸ் கோயிங் ஆன்.
Fine. Do you miss your school days?
Definitely sir. Who will not miss our school days? And
Okay.
been years with them.
Okay, fine. So, in which college are you now and what group?
நான் வந்து சென்னை இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் டெக்னாலஜில சேர்ந்திருக்கேன். அது வந்து குன்றத்தூர்ல இருக்கு. And I took computer science and engineering sir.
Okay, fine. So, what is the procedure of admission there? Like, tell me the cut-off marks, then counseling process, admission process, all those things.
Basically, for my caste, I am BC. So they are told I should have a 190.5 above. But due
Out
to
of
this,
200 or 100?
out of 200, sir.
Okay, fine.
என்னன்னா இப்போ வந்து நாங்க 11th 12th தனித்தனியா எழுதுறதுனால என் கட் ஆஃப் வந்து 130.5 தான். ஸோ நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிடைக்கும்ன்ற டவுட், கிடைக்காது அப்படின்ற டவுட் தான் போனோம். ஸோ வந்து கிடைச்சிருச்சு. எப்படின்னா வித் யுவர் ஹெல்ப் வித் யுவர் ஹெல்ப். ஸோ நாங்க வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே போனோம். ஸோ எங்களுக்கு காலேஜ் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருச்சு. தே ஹேவ் ஆல் த ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் லைக் ரிசர்ச் சென்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் தே ஹேவ். So I liked that college and I thought my future will be bright when I joined there. So I told to my mom and dad I need this college. So they made some due to my low cutoff we got some donation. If I would have got high marks I can go without donation, but I got only the 130.5. So they got some donation and my fee structure was 177,000 per year. That includes my fees and my extracurricular activities, training, and then transport.
All right. So, under which university is your college?
It's under Anna University.
Okay, fine. And what is the ranking of your college under Anna University?
Nearly they have started in 2010, sir. It's
Okay.
almost 10 years. In
Okay.
10 years, they have got top third position this year, sir.
All right.
Among all colleges under Tamil Nadu.
Is it a deemed university or government university?
It's undeemed, sir.
Okay.
But they follow those Anna University rules.
All right. So once you joined your college, means after +2, what changes the college has brought in you?
Sir, I started learning through myself, sir. Which they said always to us is start to do self-learning.
Okay.
They have libraries. They will not teach us anything, sir. They will just say the concepts, and we have to go through that, and we have to learn something new from that.
Okay, fine. So continue.
Nothing better because our school was too strict, so they made me good behavior. I have to thank my school. And other than that, they have got some changes in my studying ethics. So during school days, we will go through that only the blueprint questions, question and answers, previous year's questions. But now we have started to learn everything into that book. We don't have some guides, we don't have some Xerox materials, we don't have important questions. We have to know all those concepts, and they give us some instruments to apply that. Weekly once we have training classes. In those training classes, we can do whatever we want. So in that, we will use to do something, some hacking, some ethical hacking. They have taught us rules of ethical hacking. Usually, we go through Udemy, and other online courses, and we do start self-learning to them.
Okay.
So that's my
Okay, fine. So you said that your school was very strict. So what is the behavior of a staff in college with the students?
just the same, sir. I am not feeling some more difference to that because our class staff, who's our advisor in my college, was nearly just like friends. We can ask anything to them. We can ask any doubt at any time. They will say, don't say anything. But when it comes to strictness or behaviorness, they will shout on us a lot. And we should not use mobile phones during classes. We will not use all times, but during
Okay.
breaks, we should not use. And there will be lot of fun in our classes. Our staffs will be joking with us, and
Okay.
it will go on. There is lot of difference.
Okay, fine. So tell more something interesting about your college, which attracts you towards college, or any other student will be attracted towards your college.
Infrastructure, sir.
Okay.
There
And
will be lot of and basically campus, sir, campus interviews. Those companies which come to our colleges are top MNCs
okay.
like TCS, HCL, lot Infosys, and there's one company from Japan, sir, Human Resource. Yeah.
Okay.
They only take off CSC group students, and we have to know Japanese. That's a primary criteria. So we should learn Japanese. They also teach us Japanese in our college. It costs separate. They nearly pay us 1,20,000 per year per month. That
Oh,
means
wow,
22
that's
lakhs per
good.
annum.
That is the
That's the great package,
okay. Okay, fine.
highest package in our college.
Okay,
So that interact.
okay, fine. So you are in IT branch.
No, sir, CSE.
Okay, CSE. What are the other branches in your college?
They got mechanical,
Okay.
EC, triple E, mechatronics, IT, and biomedical, sir.
Okay, fine. So is there any club for students in your college?
A lot, sir. They have some different clubs, even in CSE, sir. They have
Okay.
self-learning club, invention club. We have innovation cell, sir. Only for CSE students, innovation cell. We can go there. We score high GPA in our semester exams. They will give us at least 2 hours to spend in innovation cell. In those
Good,
2
good.
hours, we can learn ourselves, or we can do our own projects.
Okay, fine, fine. Fine, fine. So what is your daily routine in the campus?
We will go at 8, sir, into the campus,
Okay.
and the class starts at 8. So each period consists of 40 minutes.
Okay.
And weekly once we have 2 training periods. In those
Okay.
training periods, Java, sir.
Okay, very good.
And they will teach us Java, and we have one library period.
Okay.
And 2 practical subjects now I have, which is BEEE and civil and mechanical.
Okay.
So I will go to those 2 labs, EPL labs. They will teach us a lot, and the college ends at 2:45.
Wow.
So after 2:45 to 5, it's our wish to stay in college to learn something new, or out of our portions, or which helps into our future. That's our wish, sir. And they have buses at 5, so we can go through them.
So between 2:30 to 5 o'clock, what else you do there?
I have gone through some online classes, sir.
Okay.
And if we missed some classes from 8 to 2 due to OD, we can cope up with them at 2:45 to 5, sir.
Wow, nice, nice.
So if we have some doubts, our staff will stay up to 5. So if we have
Okay.
some doubts, we can ask to them.
Fine. And other than books and studies, what else do you do as extracurricular activity?
Nothing much. According to me, nothing much, sir. I will go through only studies and some online classes. That's it, sir. They will teach us some particular language, sir, computer language. They will teach us Java or Python or Dolphin, something like that. And I
Okay.
have learned app developing, sir.
Wow, nice, nice. What is that?
App developing, Android app development, sir.
Okay, okay, nice, nice. So you are now in second year.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So have you joined any other diploma course or any part-time course, online course?
I have done a lot, sir, in Udemy. I have
Okay.
learned ethical hacking and basics of AI and Python, C++, a lot.
Okay, fine, fine. So as engineer, it is said that engineers don't study during college days. Okay. So
Yeah.
so when exam comes, how do you prepare?
Nothing, sir. They will give us some concepts only. Sir. As they teach concepts in our class, sir, they mostly use Tamil.
Okay.
So it will be there in our mind till our college ending. So during exams, we will just go through the topics and we will discuss through ourselves with our friends. What is those concepts and how does that work and principles. That's all, sir. And they will accept our own English. We can write whatever we know. They
Okay.
want only the concepts. They don't want those words, grammaticals, nothing. They
Okay.
need the concept.
Continue, continue.
They need the concepts, and it's correct. They will give us marks. That's it, sir.
Okay.
They will not give much toughness to us.
Fine. So can you please tell me what is the cutoff, maximum and minimum to go to your college?
Maximum cutoff is 195.8, sir.
Okay, out of 200. Fine. No.
Yes, sir.
So these times it is around 100 marks exam.
Yes, sir.
So in that
We
way,
can that I don't know, sir. When I go into college, it's of 200. So
okay,
they asked our maximum cutoff must be for BC, it's 95.8, 195.8.
okay.
So
That means
it goes on down based on caste.
okay, okay, fine. So that means out of 100, it will be 90 plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now you are as in second year. Have you made friendship with seniors?
Yes, sir, a lot. During they have conducted some bridge course, sir, from
Okay,
July 3rd to from August starting. 15 days
okay,
classes it will be before our college. During that, they will teach us some free classes
okay.
with the help of our seniors. And I have nearly among 50 numbers of my seniors, sir.
Wow. Is
They
there
all
any kind of ragging by seniors?
no, sir, no, sir. Nothing. It's an anti-ragging concept, sir.
Anti-ragging. Okay, fine. So tell something about college fest.
They have conducted some symposium last year, sir,
Okay,
for CSC group. It's called Hackathon.
okay,
And our CSC group's name is Hackers. They have conducted symposium and they have conducted culturals last nearly on January, sir, or February. Lots of fest will be there, sir. Internships, they will come to internships to our college, and lots of there's an biotechnical lab in my college. So some researchers will come there to do some research, and even our staffs are doing research in my college itself, sir. Even my last sem, I got one EVS, sir. He's
okay,
doing his own research in our college lab itself, sir. They are all facilities to do that.
okay, fine. So after completing your UG, will you go for job or opt for using go to PG?
I will do at least of 2 years of job, sir,
Okay, that is
because
very nice.
I have to save something to do PG. So after 2 years of job, I will go for PG.
Okay, fine. So what is campus placement percentage from your college?
100, sir, 100.
100%. Wow, fine. And what are the big brands came to your company for a placement?
Sir, there came HCL,
Okay.
TCS, TCL, Infotech, and
Okay.
Human Resources, and IBM, and lot. I doesn't remember all of them. I
Okay.
have selected only 10 companies of my
Wow. And so, what is your dream job?
human resources, sir.
Very good. Very good. Nice option, by the way. Fine. So, as you have said that 100% is placement, what is the minimum and maximum placement amount companies give or offers companies give?
Maximum was 22 lakhs per annum, sir. I have told
Okay.
you, human resources. And the minimum it's among 15,000 per month.
Okay, fine. So coming back to classroom, how many students are there in your section?
63, sir.
How much?
63.
Okay, fine. And what is total intake of students in your college each year?
Here among maybe 10,000, sir. Because in CSE there is 3 groups, CSE A, B, and C, and
Okay.
each class consists of around 65 students. Likewise, in mechanical it is from A to J.
Okay.
Each class consists of 65, so it may be around 10,000 like that.
10,000 each year.
Yes, sir.
Wow, so big campus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So PG is also there in your college?
Yes, sir. ME on mechanical engineering
Okay,
and a lot, sir.
fine.
There is offered around 11 courses, sir.
Okay.
That's 7 hours of UG and 3 hours of PG, sir.
All right, fine. So the very important question is admission process. So can you please give me the details after +2, when counseling starts, how does it happen, how admission goes on in for your college?
Actually, I went through management, sir. I went through management.
Through counseling, I'm asking.
Through counseling, it's regular as usual for us. All colleges do, sir.
Okay.
We have to apply through online in Anna University, sir. And after that, we will get allotment number. And with
Okay.
that number, we have to join our college, sir.
And fine. So what is your CGPA till now?
Mine was 8.7, sir.
Oh, nice. That's nice. Okay, fine. What is a staff to student ratio there?
For one class, there will be at least 6 staff, sir.
All right. And how is the lab facility there?
Lab, it's very good, sir. They have nearly 100 computers in each lab.
Oh, wow, nice.
And they have different labs like security lab, mobile app development lab. And like only for CSE, nearly we have 10 labs.
Okay.
And even I have joined CSE. I know those mechanical labs, and we can go into those mechanical labs. We can operate machines. We can learn mechanical engineering also, sir.
Oh, nice. Fine. And how is the library?
Library, yes, sir. It's good. They have nearly all sections are there, sir. For CSE, for mechanical, they started books from old generation, and they have ended up till this new generations. So we can learn everything.
And
First generation computers till now.
and how is this hostel facility in your campus?
It's good, sir. As a day scholar, I don't know much about hostels, sir. But my friends says it good.
Okay, other than your expenses like college fees, exam fees, okay, how much pocket money in average any student needs per month?
Per month, it's around 200, sir. That's enough.
Just 200 rupees.
Yes, sir. That's all. Just a tea with friends. That's it.
Okay, depends from person to person.
Yes, sir.
Don't you go outside with your friends in any camp or like beaches, malls?
No, sir. They live. It's under. It's in the middle of a forest, sir. We can't go out any college buses. They will not have any bus. There will be no vehicles. in a middle forest.
That means your college is far away from the city.
Kind of, sir.
Okay, fine. So till now, have you participated in any Tech Fest or any symposium, any paper presentation like that?
Yes, sir. I have done 2 paper presentations, sir.
Okay.
In my college also, sir.
And what were the topics?
One was on ethical hacking, sir.
Okay.
And another one was on Python, sir.
Oh, nice, nice. Fine. One more thing that when companies come for placement, okay, HRs have a lot of expectations from the students. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what do you want to say about that? Sometimes it happens that in some colleges they give some extra activities or extra classes for campus placement in final year, which doesn't help in any way. Okay, because you have started your college journey. Okay, what are the other skills than your studies you have done to improve in front of HR?
Sir, we have one class called soft learning, sir.
Okay.
In that class, they will teach us stage mannerism,
Okay.
how to convey our ideas, and how to share our thoughts clearly to others, how to
Okay.
speak well, how to behave well. And during training classes, they will conduct some how they conduct in interviews, they will conduct with our staffs. So if we have some mistakes while talking to them, they will tell us. So through those training classes, we will learn how to attend interviews.
Okay.
And how to answer those ask questions which were asked by them, and we have questions from them, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is in your college campus ratio between boys and girls?
It's same, sir. We have 32 boys and 31 girls.
No, as usual, gender percentage, gender ratio in your campus.
It will be off them, sir.
50-50.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What are the extra facilities college give for meritorious students? Like if somebody, like suppose some students, they have got some,
yes, sir,
some very good marks in exam, like
yes, sir,
topper of section, topper of branch. In that way, what else college give them?
Scholarship, sir.
And what is that?
They have given around 10,000 scholarships, sir.
Okay.
And they have reduced it from their fees, which is 85,000.
Okay.
So they reduced the 10,000 of 75,000, sir.
Okay, nice, nice, fine. So, and if suppose any student who is first graduate of the family takes admission in college, will they get any extra benefit from Anna University?
Yes, sir. They will get same scholarship, sir, but it is of 5,000 per year. So we have to get certificates from government and we have to submit it.
Fine. And in your campus, what are the facilities given for students, like canteen, mess, doctor, medical facilities, like that?
There will be one ambulance or 24 hours, sir.
Okay.
Because our college is far from city, so they need ambulance.
Okay.
And there is a big canteen in our college. They provide good lunch, and we have meet and eat in their cafe.
Okay.
And they have own college mess, sir, for hostel students.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Provisional shop is there?
Ah, yes, sir. They have a Xerox shop in there.
Okay.
If we need Xerox, we can get.
Okay, fine. So, last but not the least, what message you want to give to your fellow juniors who are in class 11th or in 12th passing out this year?
We should get much high cutoffs, sir, because these colleges are asking for cutoffs. If we don't have cutoffs, they will not behave with us in good manner. So if we have good cutoffs, they will give us more importance. So we should study during 11th and 12th to get high cutoffs. And we have to choose the best college, sir, which suits us. And also other groups, in which group we are highly talented, and we have to learn them and we have to choose them correctly. That's it, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. Thank you, Manoj. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Bye, sir.